And good morning. As you can see, 6 a.m. pa lang ng umaga, and nagpe-prep na din tayo for a quick coffee lang with bits. And so habang wala pa, pag-usapan natin yung accessories na na-install na natin sa bike. So let's go. So first off guys, this is a quick update lang sa bike, and papakita ko sa inyo guys yung stock na nakuha natin sa first owner, and ipapop up ko na lang siya sa screen para makita nyo yung itsura ng bike nung kinuha natin. So as you can see, kinuha natin siya ng super stock lang. Yung na-install lang ng first owner yung sliders and yung slip-on na SC project. So let's go for the first accessories na na-upgrade natin, which is itong headlight cover. Glass cover siya guys, and as you can see, may protector siya dito na 4 na bilog. So pag na-accident ka or matamaan yung headlight mo, ito yung unang sasagi and hindi ito. So sobrang safe din nito guys, and I bought this from Shopee for around 500 pesos. And next up guys is this aftermarket na signal lights. Harap and likod yan guys, but tinanggal natin yung dito sa likod kasi ang pangit ng ano niya, green niya mahaba, so parang hindi na maskulado tignan yung bike. So papalitan natin to guys ng LED strip light na signal lights. So we got this from Shopee Racing lang din guys, for about 400 pesos pair na siya. And then next one is this one, and the loud horn. DSK mini driving light siya guys, and etong loud horn nakakonect na sa kanya. So I got this from Shopee Racing for about 4,500, and ito naman is 2,000 pesos lang. So naka-connect na siya guys, and may high beam and low beam siya, and sobrang liwanag niya guys kung tutusin sa night rides. So sobrang sulit nito guys. And then next one is this one, Bimota far end side mirrors, and we got this from Shopee Racing for about 600 pesos. Actually guys, ito yung view niya, POV. Mas pumogi siya tignan compare sa stock side mirrors yung dito nakalagay. And naka smoke side mirrors din tayo guys, kaso unfortunately na lost thread siya, so gumagalaw-galaw siya. So nagpalit ulit tayo ng side mirrors. And then next one naman guys is this headlight grill or headlight ring. Kung mapapansin nyo sa stock guys, is color silver siya, and pina-repaint lang natin siya sa shop ng friend ng father ko for about 500 pesos. And so naging glossy black na siya guys. And then next one is this metallic plate ng Bristol hanggang doon, gandito. Ito. So wrap lang ito guys ng black, and kung mapapansin nyo sa stock natin is color silver siya. So para tumerno siya sa kulay ng color scheme ng bike natin guys. This one is costing for around 400 pesos guys sa shop ng friend natin. And then next one is this sliders. The first owner bought this sliders from 01 Moto daw for about 4,000 pesos pair na siya guys. And actually maganda siya guys kasi masyadong labas siya. Ayan, masyadong labas yung sliders, so ito yung tatama talaga kapag natumba yung bike mo. So heavy duty din naman siya guys. Bali pair na din siya guys. And then next one is this handle low riser bar. And kung mapapansin nyo guys sa mga Veloce owners, sobrang taas nito nung stock. Nakaganito ako. And in-adjust lang natin to. Tinanggal natin tong 4 nuts and binabaan natin tong handlebar. And in-adjust din natin to guys para tumayo na sa mga riding style natin. Kasi sa guys, stock na low riser is awkward yung position mo, lalo na kung height mo is 5'10" and above. So yeah, parang nagmukha siyang sports touring na bike. Sobrang baba pa ng ng seat height nito. So yeah guys, yung next one naman natin is the tank grips and tank pads. I got this from Shopee Racing, and Biker GP yung tatak niya for about 600 pesos. Ano na siya, complete package na siya guys, and sobrang kapit naman niya. Ang cons lang dito guys, sobrang init kasi ng tank ng Veloce kapag naglo-long ride or something na city rides, lalo na pag traffic. So tignan nyo guys, nabawasan ng isa. So pero overall experience naman dito sa tank grips and tank pads natin is sobrang kapit guys, and affordable pa. So yes, next one is the black leather seats, and brown kasi to guys. So pinalitan ko, pina-customize ko, and as you can see yung details, may butas-butas siya and yung tahi. So I got this from 8,000 pesos. Kasi guys, kung mapapansin nyo, yung bike gumanda siya for me kasi tumayo na yung color scheme niya, black and green, compare sa stock. Brown to, green to, and then may silver siya dito. Yun, yung pinarap natin. So for me, nagmukha siyang retro bike na mas modern. Yan. And then next one naman guys is this Bristol logo. Kabilaan, pinaint lang natin ng black para bagay sa color scheme ng bike. And as you can see, for me naman guys, mas okay yung bike kasi bumagay yung color scheming ng black and green, and compare sa stock, hindi ko masyadong natripan. And lastly, eto, Austin Racing exhaust. Actually guys, tinrade ko lang yung SC project ko sa friend natin, si Joma Rides, sa Austin Racing. Slip-on lang to guys. And I'm planning to give this bad boy a full system exhaust, pero soon na yun guys, next time na siguro. And yeah, this cost ranging na to guys, 3.5 lang, sa Shopee lang din naman to. And lastly guys, yung radiator guard. Ito, radiator guard. Sobrang laking bagay nito guys, lalo na kapag maulan or rocky, kasi magamit natin motor to sa mga off-road guys. So iwas talsik ng mga bato, lalo na sa radiator. Ipoprotect niya talaga yung radiator mo guys. So highly recommend na maglagay ng radiator guard, and this one cost around 4,000 to 5,000 guys. And that's all lang naman guys, Bristol updates natin guys. And as you can see, naging modern siya tignan. And then yeah, pumogi yung yung POV niya guys, kasi binaba natin to. Currently nag-SR tayo guys, sports bike yan, so di tayo sanay sa masyadong mataas na bar. So yeah, this is our quick update lang sa bike guys. And ito yung stock na side mirror natin guys. Ayan, na lost thread siya guys. So yung siya smoke side mirror siya. Maganda pa naman yung smoke guys. Ito, na lost thread lang siya, gumagalaw-galaw. Kaya yung pinalitan na natin, ito yung fix na guys, hindi na siya gumagalaw. Yan. Ito na lang yung gagalawin nyo. And mas malaki yung niya, yung mirror niya. So, mas malapad yung makikita nyo. So, that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and see you soon sa other vlog natin guys. And a happy weekdays. Thank you guys.